Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner, and I would like to use some new stickers that I found at the Dollar Tree. They're by Pebbles, and it's this really cute set here. So I found some washi tape that would go really well with it, a green like mermaid scale, an orange polka dot, and a pink floral. And then I also have my Mambi sticker sheets here for the numbers, and there's some wording in there, and then there's like full boxes and check mark checklists, tags, and everything like that. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. So here is my final layout. I really love this, such bright fun colors for the summer, and it just made for a really quick layout, and there's still lots of space to write in my appointments and things like that and add pictures and whatever I'm going to be doing. But I just really liked that sticker sheet. It was really fun for summer. So I hope you were able to find this or something that you love at the Dollar Tree, and I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye, God bless.